Welcome to this NPTEL course on power quality. I am Professor Bhim Singh, Faculty of the Electrical Engineering Department, Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi. This course is intended to provide tools to classify, quantify, and analyze the power quality problem, and to provide practical engineering solutions to mitigate these power quality problems. The quality of power in distribution network is deteriorating at an alarming rate due to increased use of power electronics converters in domestic, commercial, and industrial sector. It causes severe issues such as increased losses, poor utilization of distribution equipment, mal-operation of sensitive equipment, and disturbance to nearby consumer, protective devices, and communication system. The increased penetration of renewable energy sources in the distribution network further aggravate the power quality issues, create challenges for the engineers. Therefore, this course will deeply focus on the identification of these problems and their mitigation. The objective of the course are as follows: to understand the various power quality issues, to understand the concept of power and power factor in single phase and three phase supplying nonlinear load, to understand the conventional compensation technique used for power factor correction and voltage regulation, to understand the active compensation using like a D-STATCOM, DVR, and UPQC used for reactive power compensation, load balancing, power factor correction, and voltage regulation, to understand the shunt active filter, series active filter, and UPQC for harmonic elimination, and to understand the power quality improvement in switch mode power supplies, small drive system, and renewable energy system, and other nonlinear loads. This course is aimed at both undergraduate and postgraduate students and an industry people working in the field of energy conversion and power quality. The previous strict requirement for this course is the basic knowledge of electrical engineering, power electronics, power system, and control system. The entire course has been divided into 42 lectures of approximately 1 hour uh, for each lecture. Apart from providing essential theory, this course provides practical engineering problems related to power quality in the form of numerical for better understanding. The computer simulation based problems are included in the course to provide in-depth knowledge of this course, and this course also enable engineers and researchers to tackle power quality challenge in upcoming distribution system. Thank you.